How to deactivate Snapchat account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can deactivate your Snapchat account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to deactivate your Snapchat account, open up Snapchat, log into the account, tap the Bitmoji avatar, tap the gear icon, scroll down to the bottom, go to the option called help. So you want to simply look for the option called help over here. So under support you'll find I need help, so tap on it. Once you go to I need help, you will be able to see different topics over here. So right here you can find a topic known as managing my account, or here you can also see the same option called managing my account. Tap on it. So under managing my account, you want to make sure to actually tap this icon here, managing my account, and under managing my account you'll find delete or reactivate my account. Tap on it, and here you'll find how do I deactivate or delete my Snapchat account. So tap on it again. After you do that, here you'll find this option to deactivate or delete your Snapchat account. Log into the Snapchat accounts portal. So here you can see this little link that says Snapchat accounts portal. I'm not quite sure if it's visible in the camera, but you want to make sure to tap on this blue link. Now it will open up a pop-up in a new web page where you have to log into your Snapchat account again. And when you log into your Snapchat account again, what happens is that you will be able to definitely go ahead and then delete or deactivate your Snapchat account. This way you'll be able to deactivate Snapchat account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.